I loved it. On the first day, I was able to see words and then colors right away. And it was very life-changing because as the week progressed, I did more and more and more and was able to pick up it. I used my intuitive abilities to my highest potential, and I had so much fun. And then we learned life skills of what to take to manifest what we want in our life. And it's so good because we use meditation and all kinds of different wonderful tools for success. Evelyn was an amazing person and a beautiful soul who made this process very life enriching. And I will go home and use these life skills forever. And I recommend this course to anyone who wants to develop their intuitive skills and learn that they know they have the power, they can do anything. We went to see so many sites that you usually don't see every day, and it was really wonderful to be with a group that was like-minded and loved each other so much. And that's the class is so full of love and life and light, and we all helped each other, and we all grew as a group. Spiritually, psychically, and we know we can manifest whatever we want. I was so happy, and I just felt like I knew it was what I needed to do for myself. And then I'm going to carry it and tell other people because they can do whatever they want to in their life and reach their highest potential and goals. And um, I just I just feel like I'm really sad this is the last day, but we can go forth and create and have a beautiful life no matter what.